All right, part 3 of our earth land investigation using our model, using our stream table. All right, but now I have something. I want to tell you what the sand, that earth material was made of, right? I use sand and clay. Now I want to take you and show you, right, look at, we have sand and clay. Now this is our sand, but look at this lighter gray area, right? This is clay. So the sand stopped here. It was eroded and it was deposited here. But our clay is a lot farther down the table. My question is, how come the sand was deposited not as far, closer to the start of the earth landform than the clay was, right? Started at 20 centimeters, sand deposited about 24 centimeters, while the clay was carried farther downstream. Why did this happen? Well, we're going to investigate. So we're going to do a investigation. So, right, I have a vial of this, right? You can see where I scooped it up. Right? I'm going to pour water. Pouring water in. Right? Now, just like our mock rock, I'm going to do a shake test, right? I'm going to shake it, 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 shake it. All right. Ooh, what do you notice has happened? I will take a picture of this as well, or you can pause this video. What happened once I shook this vial with water in it? What do you notice is different about the sand and the clay? Why was the sand, right? In this vial, we see deposition as well. Why is the sand deposited below the clay? What has caused, right? Looking at this and comparing, what has caused the sand and the clay to be deposited in separate locations? This is what we want to think about. What can explain this phenomena, right? We have sand at the bottom of the vial, and we have what looks like clay and water up here. So I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes, and I will come back and take a picture, and then we will compare the pictures in person, in class. But this is something to think about. We're trying to explain why sand is deposited not as far, why clay is deposited farther than the sand was, right? Erosion creates a valley or a canyon. Sand is deposited about 4 centimeters from the start, while the clay was deposited a lot farther down the stream table. We compared it and we observed what happens when we shake it, and we noticed some differences between how the sand and the clay and water work together.